Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to help you understand how you can run any of the R program in VS Code IDE. So in order to run any R program in VS Code, you need to install three extensions which are R Editor Support, R Debugger, R Extension Pack by Yuki Ueda. And once you install all these three extensions in your VS Code, you should be able to execute R program in VS Code. I have already installed all these three extension packs in my VS Code, so I'm not going to install them again. And once you install them, you need to click on the new file. You need to select R document and you need to save this file first. And once you save this file, you can try executing your commands. Let me load my library. I've installed some packages already, so let's see if it is working or not in this. So you can see that my DPLR package is getting loaded in my VS Code. Now, if I have to read any file, I have this file, so let me try to read this file. In order to read Excel file, you need to load this library, that is read Excel. Now my read Excel library has been loaded, so I can read any Excel file in my VS Code. Let me just remove this entire command. So you can see that I'm able to read this Excel file matrix.xls, which is available in my local machine. Now if I need to check my head of my data, I can write this command and you can see that it is working fine. I'm able to read my Excel file in this VS Code. So like that, you can perform all your operation. You can run all your R commands in this VS Code. So like this, you can run all your R commands in VS Code. So this is how you can run any of your R programs in VS Code. So that's all for today. Thanks for